Hey guys, I'm back on the Mini Cooper today. Just a little short video. Hopefully it'll be short. Just one of the finishing touches I got to do to it, and then it'll be ready for the road. Now I've got this handle that the rivets popped out. It goes here, kind of. This is the same as this, and what it is it's a lock for the top. You let the top down, and then it locks it in place right there, just like that. And then when you're working on the car, you can just prop it up like that, or if you need more room to get stuff in and out of the trunk. I've got my rivet gun with a rivet in it. It's held on by 3 rivets. There's 3 holes there, and then here, right up here, you see there's a hole there, a hole there, and then one up there. So let me get that riveted on, and then I'll be right back. I put this handle back on. It had come off. It's just held in with rivets. You see right there, I put new rivets in it here and there, and now it's back on and working. I've got this piece of trim back on. The weather stripping has gotten a little tore right there. Okay, I've got this piece of trim back on. You see everything's nice and clean. I've got the weather stripping back on. Then we take this, set it down in there. Sits down like it should. And then we have the package tray. And it just slides in there like that. Get it pushed back in there. And then get it slid down just like so. Figure out where these hook to. Anyway, okay, the package tray is in, the trim is in, the weather stripping's done. And to put this top down, you just do that, let it rest down, then pull the handle down and see how it pulls that down on there, on that side. Then pull this handle down, pulls it down on that side. Everything's nice and clean. Then shut the lid, and there you have it. Now the only thing left to do, I'm gonna change the oil in it, reset the oil mileage, the oil change thing on the dash, and it's ready to go. Like I said, I've said in past videos, this car runs really good. We've driven it 3 times. Yeah, it's been driven 3 times, and actually took it up the road 1 time. Good solid car, runs out really nice, rides real good. The top goes up and down perfect. Get it cleaned up and it's ready. Okay, out here on the Mini Cooper, finishing it up. I just changed the oil, 5 quarts, 5W30 full synthetic. The filter is right down here. Here's the filter housing. It takes a canister filter. That is a 36 millimeter. Right there where the filter's at. 17 millimeter on the drain pan. You know the rest. Drain pan, drain the oil, put the plug back in, change the filter, pour the oil in. Now the final job on this car is putting the letters back on. I put me a piece of tape on, put a level across there. We're pretty close. I've already put the 3M, I've already cleaned off the old and put the 3M 2-sided tape on each letter. So now I'm just gonna line up the Cooper. The C goes in the center, just above this, and it was 1 7/8 inches from the top of this to the bottom of the letter. So the C goes here, Cooper, and then the S will go down below. So I have the old trunk lid here, right here, and I measured from here to the bottom of the C. You see it's right in the center there, and so on. So let me get these letters on, and then I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, I got the letters back on. Shitty. I got this O right here crooked. I'm gonna point that out to the world because it irritates me, but I'm not gonna fix it. So that is it. All I have left to do is reset the oil change indicator on the dash, and this car is finished. Done. Up the road. Another one done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below. I'll see you guys next time.